One man's trash truly is another man's treasure. Around the world, artists, designers, and architects are putting recycling at the forefront of their practice and using their works to highlight the impact that our waste has had on the environment. Climate change has held the attention of millions of individuals for years, with many participating in movements around the world to speak up about their collective grief over the loss of biodiversity, additionally calling for government action to implement change. Eco-artists have sprung from this movement, bringing new meaning to their works by engaging with the reuse, reduce, and recycle slogan through their craft. Solid waste contributes directly to greenhouse gas emissions through the generation of methane from the anaerobic decay of waste in landfills and the emission of nitrous oxide from our solid waste combustion facilities. Recycling reduces the risks of air and water pollution from manufacturing processes. Recycling paper cuts air pollution by about 75%. Substituting steel scrap for virgin or reduces air emissions by 85% and water pollution by 76%. Recycling also conserves resources and protects the environment. Environmental benefits include reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills and combustion facilities, conserving natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals, and preventing pollution by reducing the need to collect new raw materials. With sustainability and the concern over the climate crisis increasingly entering the artistic discourse, the question of sustainable art is now ever present. In light of ecological art, artists engage in sustainable artistic practices to tackle the urgency of climate change. For artists of every kind, there's no such thing as waste. Virtually anything can become a medium for expressing an idea. From barbed wire to toilet rolls, here are some of the coolest art installations that make us see everyday objects and materials in a whole new light, keeping in mind importance of recycling and how pollution is affecting our environment. Artists in Kunming, China, have prepared some art installations to highlight importance of recycling. These art installations are kept in Nanpingji, Kunming for general public to visit this place. City of the Sky. This is an art installation reshaped by 10,000 different discarded iron objects from daily life. Based on the background of sculpture, artists are skilled at studying at space and objects and transferring their insights into the context of visual art. The castle he created has colorful city walls, brilliant flames, and misty steam, like a castle suspended in the sky. At the same time, this work also expresses the artist's tribute to Hayao Miyazaki. One element attempts to temporarily detach the audience from the chaos of the real world, and adults can also have a fairy tale world. Be a helmsman, step onto the land of the sky city, shuttle between the stars, stand on the clouds, and embark a new journey. Sea monster. Due to humanity's urgent contemplation of extinction and different apocalyptic phenomena and their underlying reasons, artists have come up with the idea of creating a monster. Artists focuses on daily things, such as the most ordinary fish. When pollution really occurs, how will the companionship it brings to humans change? The main body of this art installation is composed of discarded stainless steel plates, and the cold silver color expresses the sorrowful atmosphere of polluted seawater. Here, the audience sees a marine creature that can't be searched on Wikipedia. It has the tail of mermaid, the head of turtle, eyes growing from its mouth, and emits strange light at night. The causality of pollution is truly present in our actual lives, and more people need to think about environmental protection in reality and take action. Whale riding journey. Whales have always appeared at the high frequency in children's books and are a symbol of gentleness and strength in marine life. Artist Yi Yuan saw a whale stranded on the shore in his childhood, like a lost giant. He tried various methods to awaken it, but it eventually fell asleep. For decades, memories of whales have swirled in his mind, and he has created Whale Riding Journey. The main body of the whale is composed of tons of discarded iron sheets, and its skin is decorated with post-impressionist colors. when it flaps its wings and opens its eyes with the sea hair on its back. It has a distinct vitality. Viewers can join the journey together, set up exhibitions in the belly of whales, socialize, and slide down the stairs in the belly of sea rabbits. This finally awakened whale reminds us of our lost childhood memories. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our videos, subscribe to our channel for there's more to come.